Welcome back to the second of the One Haircut 5 style series. So today we're going to introduce you to the trusty buckaroo roller. Hands up who's seen their mother or grandmother, great aunts use these. Definitely in my family they were very popular. So what you're going to need is buckaroo rollers, probably 10 to 16 of them. Something like a dinky clip or even just bobby pins will do. Always need your section clips, tail comb, I'm going to use hairspray or any other setting spray that you might have, and still using your straightening irons. Lovely, so let's get started. Now I'm going to do my fringe last, well not last, but I'll just do some easier sections first, just so you can see, just because my fringe is quite short. So you want to take a section that's approximately the size of your roller. Give it a bit of a blast with the hairspray. Now this is the key to doing this at home easily. I'll just get you to run the straightening irons through your hair because we need your hair to be nice and hot. Grabbing your rocker roller, run it to the ends of your hair, and then just roll in. If your ends are all different lengths, you just might want to pull out and then roll back in a little. Once it's in, down to the roots, grab your dinky clip and just put it onto the base. So the bigger that you want your hair, the higher you want to roll each section down onto its parting. Run your iron through it, getting it nice and hot. Lovely, so just follow on section by section, just doing all your hair. I'm going to pause now and then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. So there we go, I rolled my whole head. Flashbacks. So the key to doing a hairstyle like this is to get it from as hot as you can to as cold as you can. So I am just going to turn off the camera now and wait for a few minutes just until those ends are all nicely cooled down. So as I said, once it's all cool, just start unravelling the rollers. I find doing rollers so much easier than a brush blow dry for this more glamorous style. Not that coordinated with the brush, I have to admit. And I don't get anywhere near the volume like I do when I use rollers. So you can see how much bigger and bouncier my hair is with the roller blow wave. And again, just finish off with styling product. I'm going to use the Frizzy Logic spray again. And there you go, so much bouncier, fuller blow wave style with using Buttco rollers.